Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually start dropshipping the easy way. We're going to go and speak about the different methodologies and the obviously strategies that you require to set up and execute your dropshipping business the right way. The reason why we make all these videos for you guys is to give you a proper insight and understanding so you know exactly what you need to do. The first thing that you need to do is head over to Amazon.com. Now, the cornerstone for success for any dropshipping business is understanding this market. And obviously, we know for a fact that Amazon.com is one of the biggest platforms that are available. Now, if you look at the different categories that are available, from gaming accessories to health and personal care and electronics to get fit at home, dresses, easy returns, you can see the different elements that I can actually look at. Now, everything is being sold on the internet at this moment in time, and you can actually get a part of that cake as well. But how do you do it? That is what we're here to talk about. So let's check out this particular niche over here, which is the electronic ones. If you click on it, what happens is that it's going to give you more breakdown. But the interesting thing is right over here, you have over 60,000 results in electronics. You can shop for home entertainment, TVs, home audios, headphones, cameras, accessories, and so much more. So basically, there's 60,000 products that are being sold at this moment in time. And if you look at all these products that are coming inside of the electronic niche, you can clearly understand how big they are. Now, one of the reasons why I personally always recommend individuals to check out the electronic needs is because that this is a particular niche that breaks through the barriers of limitation. So basically, it does not concern with the fact that if someone is a male or female, it does not make a difference if they're in the UK, Australia, US, or Russia for that matter. It doesn't make a difference if it's winter or summer. All they need is this particular product for them to use. So this can be used from anyone, from any age group, from anywhere in the world, and they would actually need this particular product. That is the reason why I always recommend individuals to check out the electronic needs. Now, obviously, the reason why I'm showing you Amazon is because I feel Amazon is one of those places where you can get an honest review of how good a product is. If you look at the amount of reviews products tend to have, this is the research that you would actually be using and doing to ensure that you select a product that people are interested in. Now, as we can see, these AAA batteries have 103,000 reviews. If you scroll down, you'll see that this product has 14,000 reviews, and the Amazon Basic 8-sheet cross-cut paper shredder is 197,000 reviews. So this is a product that people are buying. This is a product that people are interested in. Now, there's 400 pages. I always recommend individuals to list the different products and see which product they want to sell. Now, obviously, you want to make sure that you select a product that really has impact. Now, this Scandex 128 GB micro card has 267,000 people that reviewed it. So you can clearly understand and see that there is a market that is available, that people are interested in this particular product. Then after you finish doing this, you need to head over to eBay.com. Now, eBay.com is a platform that is very unique as well because on the top over here, it has all the different products available. So let's go ahead and check electronics. Once you select electronics, you're going to be taken to the sub niches that are available for electronics. Now, so you can see you got smartphone accessories, you get video game consoles, you get computer tablets and cameras and phones as well, and refurbished and smart home. Now, the thing over here that I always recommend individuals is to understand the different aspects that are available. If you look at the categories, you'll see all the different categories that are available in the electronic niche. As you can clearly see, you got different products available in the catalog. You got top electronics deal, you got cell phone and smartwatches, accessories, computers, TVs, cameras, car, electronics, Apple, portable audio, surveillance, and video games. Now, I always mention individuals to go for a sub niche that is very easy to enter. For example, if you click on cell phones and smartwatches, you'll be able to see different products that are available. You got unlocked smartphones, iPhones, prepaid cell phones and smartphones, and even you've got cell phone covers, skins, and smartwatches, as well as audio, portable, and headphones, as well as cell phone cables and adapters. Now, I always recommend individuals to select a particular product that has a good niche. So let's go for the cell phone and cable adapters. Now, once you click on it, you'll be able to see different products that are available. Now, I always mention to individuals to check out the prices that people have for this particular product. But But the story doesn't end over there, guys. We need to take it to one step ahead, and this is where this element comes, which is these seller hubs on ebay.com. And if you look on the top over here, there's an option for research. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the next page. Now this is very interesting, guys, because you can research anything. So we're going to research a particular product that we want from here. So this is going to be a sub niche, and the sub niche is cell phone cables and adapters. So we're just going to copy this from here, and then we're going to paste all this element here, and we're going to search for the last year how much profit this particular sub niche was making. It is going to give us a complete breakdown. So the average price was $8.16. The average shipping was $6.74. 97% of the people were actually shipping it completely free. There are 10,288 that are sold, and there's only 328 individuals selling it. There's 83,950 in sales. So as you can see, there's a constant selling price over here that people are selling for. So this is something that is sold continuously. Now let's look at the profit in a year that people are making. This individual has sold 3,725 of these and made $20,000 just off this one product. $18,000, $3,000, $2,000, $1,000, $500, $700. And obviously, as you can see, there is a interest in people selling this particular product. So let's scroll right up over here and check out this particular product that people are selling. This is an adaptive fast charging, and this person has made $20,000 selling this particular product. So as you can see, we have this element over here. Now obviously you might be thinking, how are we going to sell this? They're making such a huge profit on it. They made $20,000 and the selling price is $6.25. So let's copy the adaptive element over here, the adaptive fast charging type C cable. Let's copy this from here, and then we're going to head to a platform which is called aliexpress.com, and we're going to search for this particular product. Remember, guys, you want to make sure that you get the product as cheap as possible. So this is a product that is available for $4.73. Now this is a product over here that's available for $1.50, and 10,000 have been sold of this particular product. This is a product worth $2.79, and 2,000 have been sold. So clearly there is a huge market that is available that people want, people are interested in, and people are buying. So for example, if you get this particular product for $1.72, or we can go for the product over here for $1.50, where 10,000 have been sold. So let's check out what this product is about. So this is a product which price is $1.50. There's 2,530 reviews, 10,000 have been sold. The free shipping is available, and the same product is being sold for $6.25, as you can see in this picture over here. So you can easily sell this product for at least $5 and still end up making $20,000 to $25,000 off one product. That is how simple and straightforward it is to start doing your business. Now guys, once you've done all of this, you need to head over to this platform, which is shopify.com. This is a global commerce platform where you can start your journey as a dropshipper. I've done a lot of videos in which I've gone into great detail in describing what you need to do and how you need to do it. And obviously Shopify is that platform which we have covered intensively on our channel. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel to watch all the videos that are available, so you do not miss any of the videos that we're making, and you have a complete insight of the different strategies to how to successfully start your dropshipping business. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.